Renee Anderson, Gold Premier for Team Posh Musketeers, and today I am talking to you about portable parties. Now, let me be honest. I've had portable parties that have been complete flops. I have given them some amazing products to try, a lot of samples, and I get nothing back. Like, I don't even get my bag, that I get nothing, okay? So, there's two different portable parties that I would specifically work with when it comes to your Perfectly Posh business, okay? So number one, the first one I'm gonna talk about is a simple, inexpensive bag party, okay? So, you know that really cute dollar section at the Target spot? Go buy a cute little dollar zip clutch. And in there, you're gonna put order forms, you're going to put some samples, not a lot, but make sure your name's on the back of those samples. Maybe a couple of flyers about the spring trend or the summer trend, and you're gonna hand that to the hostess that you don't particularly really know, but your investment in this portable party is low, okay? And you're gonna give it to them, you're gonna be like, share these samples, share that hand cream that you already have purchased, squirt a little bit into everybody's hand and collect orders. I'm also going to place and put together a Facebook party for you online, and I'll post some information in there so you can direct those friends or those coworkers to this Facebook party link so they can just check everything out and know what's going on. Okay, so there's one. Number two is a office portable party. Now, this is a little bit different, and why I say it's different is because you're gonna go to doctor's offices or schools or whatever office that you visit regularly, that they know you as a person. It's not gonna be a random person. You want to know, you want them to know you, okay? So with this being said, is because you have a trusted person that you see all the time, that you know, not somebody random, that can place this in the break room and keep an eye on it every time they go in and out, okay? So, are you ready to see what my office portable party looks like? I introduce you to the beauty box. This is my portable party box for offices. I only have one. I only do one at a time, just so I know I'm getting everything back. So let's dive in and see what goes in my portable party and how I do it. My beauty box is full of beauty fun products, okay? So in my box, I have my cute little container that has my business cards in it and some pens. Even though it's at an office, they might not have a pen in the break room. They're also going to get a sizable chunk, not to use, but just to smell and figure out how big these chunks are. Because when people look at our chunks in the Posh paper or pink ink, they're like, well, how big is it? This is a hand-sized chunk, right? So there's the chunks, and then they also get a hand cream to try because this is our #1 seller. You know this is a hook, liner, and sinker. If somebody tries our hand creams, 100% of the time they're like, oh, I need to buy one. So I put a hand cream in here also. I also have a cute little tin filled with samples. In here, of course, my name is on the back of each sample, and they can take them home. I usually actually have a little clip here that says, take 1 or 2 samples to try at home. In here, I usually try to put samples in that they have to try at home because they already have the chunk to smell and a hand cream or a lotion to try in the box. But of course, they can't wash their face or do a face mask at work. So those are the things that I would want them to take home and try at home. In the back, I have the spring trend reports, or whatever trend report you're on for that season will go in here. I also have a couple of pink inks. I do not do a lot of these. These are, you know, these are valuable. They're really, really big, but these are perfect for these office parties because they're such an amazing magazine, pretty much. These can stay in the break room. People can look through them. Make sure you put your name on it so it stays there when you leave. These stay in the break room. Like I said, you'd put a few order forms so they could put an order form in there. I also put some of my flyer cards. This is spring season. Spring and summer season is huge for weddings, right? So I actually put some of my information cards about how to make amazing wedding party gifts or guest gifts with Perfectly Posh. These are my fun little cards that I made for that. So that goes in here just in case somebody is planning a wedding this summer or spring. I put an all about the ingredients flyer just in case somebody has some ingredient questions, or if they have an allergy to something, they know what is in their products. And then of course I also have our Join Me cards. You never know if somebody wants to do it for a discount, if somebody is looking to do something fun on the side, you never know. I always put these in there for somebody to grab because they're so amazing and full of information. So that is it that's in here. With this, I have a really cute laminated how to order with a portable party at your office little paper. So in it, or on my letter, I just put, look through the catalog, try the samples, enjoy yourself, place an order in one of the order forms and drop it in here. If you want to use a credit card, put your phone number down and I will contact you with your credit card information. So they're not just like writing their credit card information here and then just leaving it in the box. Nobody wants to do that. So that is my little take on an office portable party, and they're just so fun. Who doesn't want a beauty box just placed in their break room? Thanks, you guys. Have an awesome day.